Hey, Jolly Bicycle fans, all 36 of you, we just want to let you know that Dave, our video editor, has left us.
Yeah, Dave, don't even like to say your name anymore, stupid head. Because we're mad that you left. And I'm gonna make so many good videos, and I'm pretty angry right now. This is my angry face.
Oh my dingus, okay? Are you kidding me right now? We paid you at least 50 a week. 50 quarters, 50 dimes, 50 nickels, 50 pennies, 50 grilled cheeses. We switch off. One week we even gave you like 50 scissors. That week was awesome. We spent more money than we ever had on anything.
I don't know if I mentioned this yet, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm at a 7, but then 7 plus 3 equals angry. And I'm angry right now and a little emotional because of Dave and his leaving, and he owes me money. I lent him my elven staff and he didn't pay back. So we're making a video to show how good we are without you, Dave.
I don't even know who Dave is, but I'm mad.
But we don't need it. Our videos won't change. In fact, they'll get better. You are bringing us down, Dave. You are bringing us down. And we're going to make a little short video to show you just how good we are.
Get ready for this thunder.
I was 5 and he was 6. We rode on horses made of sticks. He wore black and I wore white. He would always win the fight. Bang, bang, he shot me down. Bang, bang, I hit the ground. Bang, bang.